So here we have the Hauck stairgate for kids. It's pressure fixed, meaning no need for drills or screws to attach. Just going to open it up, have a quick look, see how easy it is to fit and try and block this gap. So here it is outside the box, usual amount of warnings etc. that come with it. Brackets, I'm assuming that's for the pressure fix, probably just screw in the ends. Instruction manual. Interestingly, it does come with some screws, even though it says no screws required. Let's see how we get on. There we are. Now fitted. Quite simple. These just slot into the end of the gate, and as you extend it out, you twist this, which basically wedges it in place. Same that side. Give it a little shake. It's a little bit on the loose side, but I don't think little one's going to be pushing it any harder than that for now, so it takes quite a bit of force to try and move it. There are these extra pads that, using these, you can actually stick. There's sort of double-sided pads, so you can stick them to the side. Then you would fix that on top that these would then slot into, which would obviously make it that bit more secure. But for now, we'll see how we go without. May add them at a later date. So what I'm going to do, instead of using these supplied sticky back pads to attach these to the banister and wall, I'm actually going to use some of these Command Velcro strips. Simply one on the back of the cup and then stick it onto the wall like so. I think these are going to be much better as regards removing the unit when it comes to it without actually removing any paint. So let's put them on and see how we go. So there we have it, now in place with these extra little cups held on with the Command strips. Feels much more secure now, less likely to move. A bit loose down there, nice and tight that then. Okay there. Worth also pointing out that the gate does open in both directions. As regards the locking mechanism, seems pretty secure. You need to pull the little lever back and then just lift the gate slightly so it comes out of that hook. It opens nice and wide. It's quite a good opening mechanism. It feels like it's got a bit of spring to it, so it should just close itself, which is an added bonus. You don't need to mess around to actually lock it, just give it a little push. And that's it. Locked. All in all, I'd say quite good for the £10–12 it cost from our local Aldi. It should do the job quite nicely.